Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn text into an AI avatar talking video on Canva. So in Canva, there are lots of AI tools that you can use, including the one that you can use to create a talking video with an AI avatar. So if you want to use that, you can just follow my steps here. Open your design on Canva, and then here find the apps button on the left panel. In here, tap on that and click on the AI powered options, this one. Here you can just choose this one, DID AI presenter. So just click on that. Here you can choose your avatar. You can see all. If you want to select the one that you want, you can just choose which one. In here you can also use the background color. I'm going to just go with white, and I'm going to, for example, use this avatar. Click on use as avatar. Here you can just enter the text, or you can also upload audio in here. So for example, I'm going to just write, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Okay, and in here, if you want to insert a pause, you can just click on this. Here you can choose the language and choose the voice. Okay, you can also choose the voice style. I'm going to go with empathetic. Let's say you can adjust or set the video name if you want to. Here you can click on preview speech first.
Welcome, friend. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.
But if you want to generate, you need to sign in into the DID account first. So if you have the account, you can just click on connect. But if you haven't, I suggest you to go to the DID in here and make the account first so that you can generate your AI avatar talking video. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.